Oh, hey guys, what's up? It's Javier Garcia, your local roofer. Let me go and show you what I got going on today. I'm doing a complete tile roof replacement. You can see that they've had a leak right there. Brittle underlayment crashed all over the place. It was time for a new roof. I'm going to show you. See right here, you got the underlayment that's cracked. So that's, yeah, it leaks all over. You can see that. Look at that. How brittle this underlayment is, owing petroleum. Let's get your roof looked at today. Do not hesitate. Click on the link below or give me a call today. Have a blessed day.